A year and a half ago, SimPure sent their water filtration system for our home, and we installed it and we love it. Now today is the day that I'm going to actually change the filters, and we've got two different filters that are going to be installed right here. This one here is the activated carbon block, so it removes chlorine, taste, odors, and VOCs. Basically, this is like particles and odors as well, and then it's double action because we've got the second one here, and that one is iron, lead, odors, and heavy metals. That one is awesome because that one you don't see often, which I love. I think it's going to make a huge difference, and we've already tasted the difference already in our water in the last year and a half. This is our water in, and the system is fairly simple. It's got those two canisters are going to be living right under here. You've got the release pressure valves right here when you're installing in and out, especially when water comes in. Right now, I've got water through the house because I've bypassed the system for the moment. But in just a few minutes, I will be hooking it right back, and it's going to, the water from the city is going to go right through the system before hitting our home, which is great because then all of the water in our home will be treated with this filtration system. So they give you the really good tool. This tool is invaluable. Keep it. As soon as you have a system like this by SimPure, keep the tool in your shed anywhere, because this is the tool that's going to help you, basically fix this little canister here. So this canister here is going to be installed, and you can literally just, do it by hand. But after that, you want to make sure that it's really, really tight. And one thing to notice, of course, you can see it has rusted because it's been a year and a half. It's been outdoors. If you had this in a, in a water enclosure, maybe a basement or things like that, definitely would make it a lot better for the metal. But as far as the structure goes, this thing is still solid. It is screwed into the wall. We lived right by the ocean, and it is still working perfectly. The screws are perfect. Everything is solid, so we have no issues there, which is why we're only changing the filters today. So let's start with this first one right here. We're going to literally drop it just like that. I'm going to make sure that, yep, I've got that little thing right here. I've got those little seals. I'm going to bring it in. There we go. Now we're sealed up. I'm going to put the seal back in, and we are going to, and you can see as well, you got to be really careful. These O-rings are very important. Keep those O-rings here. That's going to make sure that that seal is tight and airtight and waterproof. So we're just going to do this, just like that. So the first few spins, easy to do by hand, of course, as you can see. So if I stop there, the water would fill, but it would probably leak because I'm not making that tight fit. So I'm going to do the tight fit right now. I'll just finish it up by hand. There you go. And then just go like this. This is why this tool is so great. Check this out. Now I can literally work it. There you go. Perfect. Now, there you go. Now that's going to be really tight. Perfect. That one's done. We're going to do the next one, and we'll be right back. So both are in right now. Perfect. Those two filters are inside their canisters, and everything is ready to go. Now, the really cool thing with this is that they give you, obviously, the screws, which we've used to attach to the wall. This is concrete wall, obviously. And they also give you the Teflon tape. They give you two of those. This is going to be great when I'm actually doing the connections, when I'm actually adding the piping and the hoses to this system. And they also give me an extra set of the release valves with the spring. So that's a good thing as well. Now, what we're going to do, obviously, cut the water. So this is my city line. So this water right here is coming from the city. I've got this water, which is literally untreated from the city, which is what we're trying to obviously avoid. And this is the bypass. So I'm going to go just like so. I'm going to have a little bit of water, of course. And my dog loves water, so I'm going to wait until it's done getting that extra water. Slowly stopping. Of course, I've got it on the off position, on the block position right now. All right. So as you can see, city, no more water. This is just the backwash of that pipe. And we're going to attach this to this one here. So this will be the in and this will be the out. So before I even start doing that, I'm going to add a little bit of Teflon onto my end right here, because I think that's going to make a huge difference to make sure that we are nice and sealed. So they really give you everything that you need to, to get started, right? To get everything installed properly. So now we're going to go through here. It's a little bit of a tight situation here, but we can do it. Just like that. And like this. And now we're going to make sure that I'm going to go up top. There we go. I've got already the backwash coming into the filter, which is not a problem. It will get pushed out once that city water comes in from the in. Make sure that this is tight, obviously. And it is. Now all we need to do is connect this to that already joint system. I did the same thing on this side, basically. Some Teflon. I put my elbow here, and now I'm going to attach it just like so. I'm actually, before I even do this, I'm going to do some more. Hey, SimPure gives me Teflon tape. I will be using Teflon tape because this thing helps a whole lot. All right. Look at that. Now we're talking. Okay. Perfect. So at this moment, we have a little bit of water here. No water in here. I'm going to let it go, and hopefully there's no leaking. Look at that. Water's coming in here. It's full. Water comes here. Look at that. That carbon activation. So cool. Now all of a sudden it's super clear. And then water is flowing into the house. Zero leaks. The system is, and look at this. Now at this moment it is seamless because they're full. The pressure is perfect. We've got, see? Those are the pressure valves. If you had any pressure problem, you literally have to be able to release it with these little valves, but I don't have any problems whatsoever. So that's the thing. Once they're full and you need to change the filter again, and you don't want to disconnect everything, all you need to do, release the pressure, disconnect, screw it out, and you're good to go. This thing is done. And it's literally took me a few minutes, and we're good to go. We got some clean, fresh, and literally SimPure water.